Google Meet just landed in Apple CarPlay. You can now join meetings directly from your car's dashboard while you drive. It's completely audio only, no video, no typing, no distractions. Just tap to join, talk through your car speakers, and focus on the road. Google has been pushing to make Meet available everywhere, and now your car is part of the lineup. Here's how it works, how to set it up, and what you need to know. When you open Google Meet in CarPlay, you'll see a simple audio only interface on your car's infotainment screen. There's no video feed at all. The camera is completely off, both yours and everyone else's. You join a meeting, your voice goes through the car's microphone, and you hear everyone else through the car speakers. Sound automatically transfers from your phone or earbuds to the car the moment you connect. Google calls this the on the go mode, and the whole thing is designed to feel more like a phone call than a video meeting. So, what you can actually do from CarPlay, you can view your upcoming meeting schedule right on your dashboard. When it's time, you tap to join. One tap and you're in. You hear the meeting audio through your car speakers and your microphone picks up your voice. You can mute and unmute yourself. You can leave the meeting when you're done. That's the full set of controls. It's intentionally minimal. Google has stripped it down to just the essentials, so you're not fiddling with your screen while driving. Now, here's what you cannot do, and this is important, that the camera is always off. You won't see anyone's video and no one will see yours. There's no chat feature, no hand raise, no polls, no Q&A. There's no pre-call screen either. When you tap join, it joins immediately. The only controls available are mute and unmute and leave. That's it. You can't share your screen, you can't send messages, and you can't see any visual contents that other participants are sharing. This is purely an audio participation tool. Setting it up is genuinely easy. Step 1, update the Google Meet app on your iPhone. Go to the App Store, search for Google Meet, and make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2, connect your iPhone to your car via CarPlay, either plugged in with the USB or wirelessly if your car supports it. That's it. Google Meet should appear on your CarPlay home screen automatically. There's no extra configuration, no settings to change, no permissions to grant. If the app is updated and your phone is connected to CarPlay, it just works. If you're on Android, you're probably wondering where your version is. Google has confirmed that a version of Meet for Android Auto is coming soon. That's their word, soon. No specific date has been given. So for right now, this is an iPhone and CarPlay exclusive. If you're on Android, you'll have to wait. Google hasn't said whether the Android Auto version will have the same features or if it will be different in any way. I'll do an update video when it launches, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Good news is that it isn't locked behind a paywall or a premium plan. Google Meet on CarPlay is available to all Google Workspace customers and all Workspace individual subscribers and all users with personal Google accounts. That means if you have a Gmail address, you have access. Free accounts, paid accounts, business accounts, everyone gets it. The only requirement is that you have the latest version of the Meet app installed on your iPhone. It's rolling out now, so if you don't see it, give it a day or two and check for app updates. That's Google Meet in CarPlay. Update the app, plug in your phone, and your next meeting can happen from the driver's seat. Personally, I think this is most useful for those long commute meetings where you just need to listen and occasionally chime in, not for meetings where you need to present or share your screen. If this was helpful, hit that like button.